Hi there. Ever see a recipe online and wish you could watch someone who isn't good at cooking try it for the first time? Welcome to the Noob Gourmet Test Kitchen. This episode I'm making classic shrimp scampi, a recipe from fellow onion goggle enthusiast Melissa Clark in the New York Times cooking section. The recipe serves 4 and takes 15 minutes to cook as written, though I changed a few things as you'll see. First off, scampi are not shrimp, they're tiny lobsters, also called langoustines. Out of curiosity, I searched local fish markets for langoustines and found out they only come in frozen 5-pound boxes for $60, so that idea was out. Start with 1 3/4 pounds large or extra large shrimp and remove the shells. I didn't throw the shells away because the top comment on the recipe was from a guy called Jim who advised me to simmer the shells in the white wine for 10 minutes to enrich the wine and give the recipe more flavor. Thanks, Jim. I still used the half a cup of dry white wine, what up Franzia, and simmered the shells for 10 minutes. Next, I minced the garlic and chopped around 1/3 cup of parsley. Time to get the sauce ready. I combined butter and olive oil, added the garlic, and sauteed until fragrant. Then I added the enriched wine, salt, black and red pepper, and let it reduce for 2 minutes. Smells good? Let's get those shrimp in the pan. The recipe says to saute for 2 to 4 minutes depending on size, so I gave these big boys a little extra love and some more black pepper. Once they were pink, I stirred in parsley, added lemon juice, and took them off the heat while I got my pasta ready. Time to taste. Some white wine, scampi, pasta, and someone to share it with? Now that's living. Let's recap. This recipe is super simple. It's only 2 steps. Thanks to Jim, the sauce had a ton of shrimp flavor without being overpowering. The shrimp were cooked nicely, and the parsley and lemon gave it a freshness so it didn't feel heavy. My only regret was I didn't have any bread to soak up the sauce like the recipe suggests. If you're a shrimp lover, this is an easy recipe to cook any night of the week. Would I make it again? Definitely. Thanks to Melissa Clark and Jim for a tasty meal. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.